से सीधा आपको लिए चलते हैं उत्तराखंड के देहरादून की ओर, जहां पर आईएमए की पासिंग आउट परेड का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। आईएमए की पासिंग आउट परेड 525 ऑफिसर देश की सेवा के लिए पास आउट, 491 कैडेट भारतीय थल सेना के अधिकारी।
Winner of the bronze medal, Senior Under Officer Kamaljeet Singh. Winner of the Technical Entry Scheme Silver Medal, Wing Cadet Captain Abhinav Mehrotra. Winner of Technical Graduate Course Silver Medal, Officer Cadet Jadav Sujit Sampath. Winner of the Special Commission Officer Silver Medal, Officer Cadet Sunil Kumar Chhetri. Winner of the medal for the best officer cadet from friendly foreign countries, Junior Under Officer Muhammad Safin Ashraf from Bangladesh. Winner of the Chief of Army Staff banner, Impal Company.
पुरस्कार विजेता अब परेड पर अपना स्थान ले रहे हैं। अपने इस प्रदर्शन के लिए न केवल अफसर कैडेट्स अपितु उनके प्रशिक्षक और भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का स्टाफ भी गौरव का अनुभव कर सकते हैं। इस सत्र के चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ बैनर के विजेता हैं इम्फाल कंपनी। इस कंपनी के अफसर कैडेट्स के लिए भी यह गौरवान्वित होने का अवसर है। यह बैनर इस कंपनी के अफसर कैडेट्स को अगले सत्र तक लाइन यार्ड दाहिने कंधे पर लगाने का विशेषाधिकार प्रदान करता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, the primary aim of this institution is to present the nation with strong and daring military leaders. Undoubtedly, the institution can take justifiable pride in the fact that its alumni have brought glory to themselves and their alma mater on the battlefield time and again. The number of gallantry awards won by our alumni is ample testimony to this fact. Ladies and gentlemen, the remaining officer will now address the parade.
Commandant of the Indian Military Academy, instructors, esteemed guests, friends from the media, proud parents and officer cadets of the 157th Rifle Corps, 140th TGC, 55th SEO Corps, 46th East Force, and ladies and gentlemen. My heart swells with pride, having witnessed your pristine bearing, impressive turnout, and admirable drink during the passing out parade of Autumn Term 2025. I congratulate each one of you on successful completion of the training and wish you all the very best for the future. The profession of arms is not merely a profession, it's a calling. A calling that demands sacrifice of your own comfort and well-being, and if necessary, even your life for the nation. Indian Military Academy has an incomparable reputation of producing capable professional officers, visionary leaders, and gallant heroes who have proven their battles time and again. In each one of you, young officers, molded at this academy, I see the bright future of the Indian Army. As young officers, you are entering a constantly changing world of intense international competition, leading to comprehensive conflict, restricted not only to military domains, but extended to society, industry, and technology. Terrorism, military overreach, new alignments, and external influence in our area, neighborhood, has created a contested environment in which we may fight one adversary, but our resources and capabilities will still be stretched across collaborative fronts all along one reinforced front. Ops Sindhu was a testimony of this challenge and showcased India's resolve in countering this challenge by synchronizing diplomacy, deterrence, and decisive application of force. As modern warfare continues to evolve, the Indian Army, while majorly being actively deployed, continues to pursue its decade of transformation, seeking to modernize and adapt like never before. As young officers, you will be part of the cycle of adaptation, anticipating disruption, improving existing weapon systems, and preparing counter capabilities. You may not find answers to challenges in black and white. Rather, it could be in domain of gray. At times, total vacuum. That is, even absence of borders. As a leader, your true litmus test would be at that juncture. Herein, your ability alone will not work. It will have to be preceded by attitude and adaptability. Thereafter, you may not get mentor or guide, but you will have to emerge as a mentor and role model to many. Your ability to take risk and application of creative thinking to come out with alternate or new solutions would be watched by all commanders, peers, and followers alike. In moments of crisis, your judgment, integrity, and moral fortitude will define outcomes. The men you lead shall respect you for your commitment, love, and dedication. I urge you to practice what I call the simplest principle of leadership. Follow me. That is, lead by example in all spheres, with clarity, courage, and compassion. Remember, leaders eat last. With great pride, I also extend my heartiest congratulations to the 34 foreign officer cadets representing 14 foreign countries who have successfully completed the outdoors training and will be joining with their respective armies. The friendships and bonds that you have forged in this academy shall remain forever. You shall always remain part of this academy and will be its ambassador in coming time. I do hope that one amongst you would be reviewing this parade in the future. One of your kind on a visit with the chief of the Bhutan Army and the Army. We were privileged to have General Rodrigo reviewing the parade the last term. The tireless dedication of the instructors and staff of the Indian Military Academy has sculpted the future of our army. My compliments for your relentless pursuit of excellence in training and in shaping young minds into leaders of great vision and perseverance. Our parents, your presence here today is a testament to your selfless dedication and unwavering support that has shaped these young officers. From their childhood, it is you planted the seeds of courage, an attribute that the Indian Military Academy has nurtured to make them morally upright military leaders. I thank you on behalf of the nation for dedicating your war's life in the noble cause of the nation. Finally, to the passing out course of autumn term 2025, as you embark on this inspiring career, the entire nation will now look up to you as the first and last line of defense for its civilizational sovereignty. You are the stalwarts of India's future security. I am confident that each one of you will uphold the honor and tradition of the Indian Army. Before Chanakya, all this vitality, life and body are taken in faith. Only Dharma is constant and everlasting. Remain forever upright, march forward upholding righteousness, confidence, honor and pride. And may you always live up to the highest standards of courage, loyalty and service that this academy has instilled in you. Be prepared, remain purposeful and stay ahead of the curve. I wish you all the very best in your journey ahead. God bless, Vijay Bhav, Jai Hind.